Hey guys, my name's Axe, and I want to start my journey here on trading officially. And I'm really just doing this for myself to record how far I get and how successful I am. I'll probably do these maybe once a week or more, depending upon big trade ideas. So far, I've been trading perps pretty much since on BTC, since they were open on Coinbase here in the States. Since end of July of 2025, since it became regulated legal. And I plan to do that for the indefinite future until I can retire myself. Right now, this is my journey to 100,000 portfolio. I'm only at 6 right now. So we'll see how it goes. My goals, 2.5% rate of return per week, 10% per month. Pretty straightforward. If I could do that consistently, well, be a pretty damn profitable trader, and that's pretty much what I want to be. So just taking a look at the chart, what I have here, this is BTC. What we have is some key zones indicated on the daily, which is the time frame we're looking at right now. This is the unpaid trading view, just to show you how early I am in my journey, and you will see some advertisement blockers popping up here throughout, so just ignore those. But basically what we have here is some key levels indicated. So you have some key liquidity areas located in here just from a market structure shift that we received here, which I anticipate this trading back up into. But also we have on the weekly and the monthly some key levels down here, which I think we're eventually going to trade to just based upon this last leg up, which I think it's highly likely that we're eventually going to come up into this area and then back down. There it is. But in the short term, I'm kind of just looking for what's next. I'm not playing chess, just playing checkers. What's the next? It's not the next what's the 3 moves. It's really just what's the next move. And I think obviously it's either going to go up or down. I think eventually we do trade up into here before we get a rejection lower. But I'm hoping we get a move down into this area where I can get a short scalp, maybe some change in the state of delivery down here, and then a move up. And what is that going to look like? I think that might look like something like this, down, market structure shift we have in this key area, that's a daily order block. And then I think we come up, maybe reclaim Monday's low. That's what these blue lines are, Monday's low and high. And then I think we come up here and eventually get a change and a solid short opportunity, go down below Monday's low, and then hit these areas before we then maybe have another reversal, hopefully to the upside, blow through these and go to a new all-time high. That would be ideally what we see. I'm not sure that's going to be what we have, but I'd like to see that. And again, I don't care about 1, 2, 3, 4 moves in the future. I care more about, are we doing this, or are we just going to be doing something a little bit more like this? We kind of just stay in this range, bounce off of Monday's low, claim Monday's high, and then come up into this area before we then go lower. And if that's the case, that's what I'm looking to react to. And again, we may not even ever go lower. We may come up in this area and blow right through these order blocks. My trading style is not to predict the future, it's to react to price action and go from there. And that's my goal. I've been doing it successfully now for 6 weeks. That literally means nothing. So I'm just going to keep trying and do what I can. And again, this is less for views and more just for my tracking of my personal progress. I don't expect anybody to watch these videos. But if I do hit 100,000 and beyond, it'll be pretty cool to look back at these and see where my journey was. But for now, it's September 16th, 2025. LFG, guys.